In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a purchase entry in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a small business or a larger organization, keeping track of your purchases is crucial for financial accuracy and smooth operations. Let's make this process straightforward and effortless, ensuring you're confidently up to date with your entries. To get started, open your web browser and type Zoho into the search bar. When you see the search results, you want to look for the link with zoho.com in the URL. Clicking on this will take you directly to the Zoho website. If you have an existing Zoho account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Zoho, you'll need to sign up, which is a simple process involving some basic information. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the Zoho Suite dashboard. Here, you should select Zoho Books, which will lead you to the Zoho Books dashboard, your central hub for managing financial activities. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Navigate down to find the Purchases section, where you'll click on Bills. This section is specifically designed for you to manage all your purchase transactions, so it's important to get familiar with it. In the top right corner of the Bills page, you'll notice a Plus New button, which you should click to start creating a new purchase entry. The first detail you'll need to enter is the vendor information. Zoho Books allows you to select the vendor for whom you're creating the bill from a predefined list. If the vendor isn't already listed, Zoho offers an easy function for adding new vendors on the fly. Following this, you'll need to input the bill number and date. The bill number is crucial, as it serves as the unique identifier for the transaction, while the date helps record the precise timing of the purchase. Next, you'll focus on the Item Details table. This is where you list all purchased items. Be sure to include each item's quantity and rate, ensuring accuracy. If you come across an item not yet in your system, Zoho Books makes it simple to add new items directly from this table. This ensures your inventory stays current and complete. Additionally, consider adding any relevant notes or attachments related to the purchase. These might include files or documentation that are pertinent to the entry, providing further context or information that might be needed later. Once all details are filled out to your satisfaction, you have two options. You can choose to either save as draft, which allows you to return and edit later, or save and send, if you're ready to finalize the entry and perhaps notify others involved in the workflow. With these steps, you've successfully entered a purchase entry into Zoho Books. Remember, maintaining accurate purchase records not only helps with bookkeeping, but also provides essential insights into business spending and vendor relations. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide makes your accounting process a breeze.